How to open a Facebook Marketplace account. Now, if you want to open a marketplace in Facebook, in order to do that, you don't have to create a separate marketplace account differently because it is a feature that is built into the base Facebook account. Now, in order to create a Facebook account, you have to just simply download the Facebook app and you can directly enter your credentials such as phone number or the email address, and after creating a password and your username and everything, the account will easily be created, and you can already find a guide to create Facebook account in our channel, so check for that. But if you just want to create a marketplace account and have a Facebook account already, in that case you don't need to create a separate marketplace account. You can just use that same Facebook account, and after opening this icon right here, your marketplace will be loaded and you can very easily purchase and sell items from Facebook Marketplace. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.